Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to week 6. These are the intermediate directions. You only need to choose one of the example videos below to try. If these are too hard for you, go down to the beginner level. If these are too easy for you, try doing the advanced lesson folder. Ladies and gentlemen, please have fun, try your best, and if you're able to share with me, great. If the videos are not working for you, there's a link right above the video that you can click. It will take you to my YouTube account and you can watch the videos there. As always, stay art smart. I miss you guys.
Welcome to week 6, intermediate origami. Today we are going to do a wolf or a fox. Remember, you can choose any one of the examples. So just remember, if you don't want to do this one, you do not have to. You can choose another one. I'm going to take my origami paper. I actually am using origami paper rather than my paper here. I'm going to start on the white side. I'm holding mine like a rhombus, not a square. I'm going to take the tippy top corner or the head of my paper and bring it down to the toe corner. I'm going to slide my finger up and squeegee, squeegee. Next, I'm going to take my arm corner and I'm going to bring that arm corner down to my toe corner. And I'm going to squeegee, squeegee. I'm going to do the same thing with the other arm corner. Bring it down, squeegee, squeegee. So now I have a square again, or a small rhombus. Next, I'm going to take one at a time and I'm going to flip it up. Just like that. Now, if yours is perfectly straight like that, it's going to end up folding over on top of each other. You don't want to do that. You want to have a slight angle, a diagonal here. Same thing to this one. We're going to fold it up because these are going to be the ears for our fox or our wolf if you want to make a wolf. Okay, so from here we flip this over and we have what looks sort of like a face. I'm going to flip up the corner just a little bit like that so it looks like my wolf or my fox has a mouth. I can then draw on it. I can make a little dot right above. I can draw his eyes right here. I can decorate the insides of his ears. If I want to make some fangs in here or a tongue, go for it. But that is how you make your wolf or fox origami. Thank you for joining. Welcome to week 6. This is intermediate origami. Remember, you just need to do one of these. These are the directions for how to make a boat. I will post them right next to this video so you can keep a look at them. I put the blue side or the color side facing up. If both of your sides are white, that's okay. It just may be easier if you have one color and one white. I'm going to flip this over. Beautiful. Now I'm going to flip this down. Fabulous. I made a rectangle and I crease it really well. I flip it over. I'm going to take that, flip it down, so now I have a long skinny rectangle. At this point, I'm going to flip just that one rectangle backwards. I'm going to fold down the corners here. I'm going to fold down the corner here. I'm only coming to that midline. I'm going to fold down this corner just like that. Crease it really good. Fold down this corner to meet the other triangle. Look, they're kissing. Smooch, smooch. Now I'm going to fold this down and flip it over. We're going to peek this up. Fold this, make a triangle. Fold this, make a triangle. Fold it down. Oops. Now, I have something that looks like a trapezoid shape. If I put my hand inside of it, it is now a boat. Now that boat should actually be able to sit in water for a little bit and float just fine. So enjoy! Welcome to week 6, the intermediate example. This is the cup. We are going to make a cup today. I'm going to leave the directions here for just a moment. It could also be a hat. If you make this with really big like newspaper, you can make a hat for yourself. Now, I'm going to start on my white side. If you did not color your sides or you do not have a paper that has both, that's fine, not a big deal. It might just be easier to follow the directions. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to call this the head. These are the arms and this is the feet. I'm going to take the feet and flip it up. Remember, you only have to do one of these examples. This is just one of the examples for the intermediate this week. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take both pieces of paper. I'm going to fold it down, but notice how I'm not folding it up against this line. I want to fold this corner in half, and there's still some space here. We just made something called a scalene triangle. Beautiful. Now it kind of looks like a little puppy dog. If this was his nose, this is his eye, and this is his flappy ear. We're going to unflap that ear. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold this over as if his hand needs to come up and touch his shoulder. It is now touching his shoulder. He's got a nice triangle here. I'm going to flip this down. Now I could leave it like that, but it looks a lot better and holds a lot better if I put it inside this little triangular pocket. So I'm going to tuck it inside there. Looks good. Ready? We're gonna flip it over. Flip it. Super. Now, guess what? We're doing our exercises still. This hand needs to come up and hit the shoulder. So it hits this corner right here. It just made something that looks like a pentagon. Okay. The pentagon is in the shape of a pentagon. The pentagon is a a national building in the United States. This triangle is now going to flap down just like we did before, but remember, does it stay there? No, it can if you want, but it's not going to hold together real well, so we need to put it inside that triangle. I put it inside, and bada boom, bada bang. Oh, mine's being a little goofy. There you go. I had to fold it a little bit better. And now if I put my hand inside, I have a cup. And I can push up on the bottom a little bit to really make that cup stand out. Or if I want to put it on a little doll or something, it could be a hat. So congratulations, you made an origami cup. Welcome to week 6, advanced origami, how to make a cat. Now this is probably going to be the easiest one of your advanced options. Remember, I'm going to give you 3. You only have to choose one. If this is too difficult, please feel free to go down to the intermediate options or even the beginner options. There is no shame in it. Now, if you didn't see that, I picked the foot corner and I made it touch the head corner. I'm now going to take, looking from the head corner, I'm going to put my finger down here and I'm going to fold this over and crease it very well. Next, I'm going to do the same thing. It's almost like he's giving himself a big hug. Now I'm going to bring this triangle up here. I'm going to fold it down and crease it really good. This bottom I'm going to make into a triangle and I'm going to fold upwards. Now in true origami we don't use tape. However, in this one I'm going to just use a little piece of tape. You don't have to, but I did it just to make it easy. Now you'll see the triangle here. If I put backwards, upside down these, I can make ears out of them. I can then decorate it from there. If you find this too easy, check out one of the other advanced options. Thank you.